Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to split screen on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you want to split screen on your iPhone and you want to do multitasking on your Apple device in iOS 27 like this, here I will show you how can you do this or whether you can do this or not. So guys, basically if you go to any app and you want to split screen on this, then there is no option to split screen or use multiple apps at a time on your iPhone, whether if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 27. So guys, basically there is no such option that is being offered on iOS 27 which allows you to do multitasking on your Apple device, whether you are using a latest device. So guys, basically if you want to use multitasking or you want to split screen on your iPhone in iOS 27, then you have to simply go to your app store and then search here for split screen, and then you have to simply download and install the latest version of split screen app on your device. So guys, do this, and after this open this app and wait here for some seconds, and from here you can use multiple windows on this application. So as you can see this, you can use multiple websites here to work in multitasking way. So basically there is no such split screen feature which allows you to do it on iOS 27, but you can download this app to use multitasking or work in multitasking windows on your Apple device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.